Yeah, it's the course is related to Git and GitHub. So myself, Hari Cherku, I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect with 12 plus years of industry experience. I'm a real-time employee, and my passion is something like a train the people. And I have done few more certifications. So few of them are I'm a ITL certified engineer. I'm a Red Hat certified system administrator, and I'm a Red Hat certified Linux engineer, and I'm a AWS certified solution architect associative, and I'm a certified Kubernetes administrator, guys. Okay. Yeah. So what is the agenda? Introduction to Git and GitHub. So agenda is introduction to Git and GitHub, usage of GitHub user interface and the command line usage of Git, how we can execute the commands in the Git through the command line towards to advanced usage. We'll show you guys. So what are the prerequisites? The prerequisites is none. So, but pay attention, guys. Who are something like a developer, backend users, or something like a QA team or operational team or a DevOps team. So nowadays in the industry, everyone is using Git, Git and GitHub to store their data, right? So no prerequisites, guys. Everyone can learn this one, but pay attention. So while learning this course, so goals and objectives. Attend the at the end of this class, you should know how to get started with the GitHub. Be able to work with the Git repositories. So find the information and support to learn more, guys. So what are the modules we will cover? We will cover module 1, introduction to version control system. So what is version control system? Types of version control systems. It is a centralized version control system, distributed version control system, benefits of version control system, introduction to Git, history of a Git and GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. Okay, so module 2 will discuss about the Git installation and configuration. So how we can install the Git on Windows, Linux, Mac, basic Git configuration and Git GUI tools versus command line tools. So we'll discuss in the Git GUI tools like a VS Code and that Eclipse, guys. For the developers purpose, the developers mostly using the VS Code, right? And the VS Code and Eclipse. So we'll show you the how we can integrate with that GUI tools in the Git, guys. Okay. So third module, Git basics, creating a Git repository, how you can create the Git repository, clone a Git repository, Git directory structure, checking status and adding files, committing changes, viewing history, how we can view the history. And in module 4, we'll discuss about working with branches. What is a branch? So why we need a branch, right? We'll show you. Understanding the branches, creating a branch, switching branches, merging branches, conflict resolution, deleting branches, and cherry picking. Module 5 will discuss about the Git workflow and the collaboration. So remote repositories, Git remote -v, pushing changes, pulling changes, fetching changes, forking and pull request. Okay, upstream repositories. Module 6 will discussing about the undoing and the resetting. Git checkout versus Git restore. How you can check out and how you can restore, guys. And git reset, soft mixed hard reset, and git revert, save undo and stashing the changes. Okay, git clean. So module 7 will discuss about the tags and releases, what is how to create the tag, annotated tags, white lightweight tags, so listing and delisting, deleting the tags, pushing the tags. Module 6, Git advanced topic, something like a Git rebase, cherry pick, Git hooks, Git ignore, and Git attributes will discuss. And Git GitHub, creating repositories on GitHub, SSH configuration, collaborator access, issues, projects, and actions. So, on the real-time scenarios, so best practices will show you Git workflow strategies, Git flow, GitHub flow, team collaboration practices, Git in DevOps pipeline, Git alias, productivity tips, security in Git. So, we'll discuss these 10 modules, guys. We'll discuss about these 10 modules in the this Git and GitHub course, guys. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right. And what we will provide? So what we will provide in this course? Yeah. So this is, guys, something like a Git and GitHub, and we'll show you a little bit about GitLab and Bitbucket also, guys. So the action should be same. All if you learn anyone GitHub or something like a GitLab, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. The operation should be same. So, but the UI should be different only. Okay. So, what are the prerequisites, guys? I already told you, right? What are the prerequisites?
Nothing. Pay attention.
Yeah. Yes. Prerequisites is none. And the duration is 5 days, guys. I'm having 12 plus years of experience, guys. So, what we will provide in this class? Soft material, soft copy, material soft copy, and class notes, and recorded videos. We'll share via Google Drive, guys. So, I understood, right? So, what exactly GitHub?